Have you seen those tiny AI rescue videos that are getting tens of millions of views? Want to make one yourself in just a few minutes? Let me show you exactly how. First, you'll need the master prompt. This prompt is what we'll use to generate both the image prompt and the video prompt. Using it is super easy. Just type your rescue idea in the idea section. For example, maybe a tiny rescue team saves a trapped puppy, clears a road after a fallen tree, or rescues people during a flood. Don't have an idea? Just type something like, "Give me 5 ideas," and ChatGPT will instantly generate 5 creative midi-world rescue concepts for you. Once you've added your idea, copy the master prompt, open ChatGPT, paste it, and hit send. ChatGPT will automatically generate a text-to-image prompt and a video prompt based on your idea. By the way, I've uploaded the master prompt to my website, and you'll find a link in the video description below. Next, let's generate the image. Copy the text-to-image prompt that ChatGPT created. Then go to Google Flow and sign in with your Google account. I've also put the link in the description. Click New Project. Choose Image Generation Mode. Set the aspect ratio to 9:16 for portrait videos. For the model, choose Nano Banana 2. You can set the batch generation to whatever you'd like. I usually use 2. Now, paste the prompt and hit send. In just a few seconds, your mini world rescue image will be ready. Now it's time to turn that image into a video. Copy the image to video prompt from ChatGPT. Go back to Google Flow. This time, choose Video Generation. Select Ingredients instead of Frames. Set the aspect ratio to 9:16, choose the Omni Flash video model, and set the duration to 8 seconds. Upload one of the images you just generated as the reference image, paste the video prompt, and hit send. After just a few minutes, your AI mini world rescue video is finished and ready to post to TikTok, YouTube Shorts, Instagram Reels, or any other social media platform. And that's it. With just ChatGPT and Google Flow, you can create viral-looking mini world rescue videos in minutes. So give it a try, and who knows, your next video might be the one that gets millions of views.